Hello guys, in this video we are going to start a new session on JavaScript algorithms and data structures. This is a course from freeCodeCamp. So let us see what it is. While HTML and CSS control the content and styling of a page, JavaScript is used to make it interactive. In the JavaScript algorithm and data structures certification, you learn the fundamentals of JavaScript involving variables, arrays, objects, loops, and functions. So in this, first we will be learning about the fundamentals of JavaScript. Okay. Once you have learned the fundamentals, you will apply that knowledge by creating algorithms to manipulate strings, factorize numbers, and even calculate the orbit of International Space Station. Oh, that seems very interesting. Along the way, we will be learning two important programming styles, object-oriented programming and function programming. Okay, so this is the first part of the course, which is Java basic JavaScript. JavaScript is a so in this course, I guess we will be learning about JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language. You can use it to make web pages interactive. It is one of the core technologies of the web, along with HTML and CSS, and is supported by all modern browsers. In this course, you will learn the fundamental programming concepts in JavaScript. You will start with basic structures like numbers and strings. Then you will learn to work with arrays, objects, functions, loops, if-else statement, and more. Okay, the 113, this kind of subtopics. So we'll be starting from here. Comment your JavaScript code, declare variables, storing variables, values, and so on. Uh, there's a lot to learn in this from this site. Then we have ES6. We have regular expressions, debugging, basic data structure, basic algorithm scripting, object-oriented programming, functional programming, intermediate algorithm scripting, JavaScript algorithms and data structure projects. Okay, this is the end. In the end, we need to make five JavaScript projects: palindrome checker, Roman numeral converter, Caesar cipher, telephone number validator, cache register. Once we complete that, we'll be getting a certificate. Okay, so let us start with the first subtopic. Comment your JavaScript code. Comment your JavaScript code. Comments are the lines of code that JavaScript will intentionally ignore. Comments are a great way to leave notes to yourself and to other people will later need to figure out what the code does. There are two ways to write code comments in JavaScript. Using slash slash will tell the JavaScript to ignore the remainder of the text on the current line. This is an inline comment. You can also make a multi-line comment beginning with slash asterisk and with ending with asterisk slash. This is a multi-line comment. As you write code, you should regularly add comments to clarify the function of parts of your code. Good commenting can help communicate the intent of your code, both for others and for your future self. Try creating one of each type of comment. So we need to make a inline comment and also a multi-line comment. That is our first task. So let us write slash slash. Uh, this is the first video on JavaScript. Okay. Uh, Now let us make a multi-line comment which is slash asterisk. Welcome to my channel. Compact code asterisk slash. Sorry, slash. Okay, now let us run the test. Yes, we have completed the first task. Bring that. Okay, okay. Now that is all for today's video, guys. I will be making uh, videos on each of these subtopics more and more soon. So I hope you like these videos. So uh, we everyone can learn from these videos. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.